Hello, this is Chase Murphy, a senior ConnectWise consultant here at ProVal Tech, coming to you with a quick tip video on how to leverage the audit trail in ConnectWise Manage. First and foremost, we get a lot of questions about this, understanding where a ticket came from, why is it in my system, who made this, why is it here? We hear that a lot, so we figured we'd make a quick video just to kind of show everybody where you might be able to get to that data. The place to see that in Manage is on an individual ticket, which I have one open here, under the Audit Trail tab. You can see here, this is one that I just manually created. It's using our shared account that we make for videos. You can see a new ticket idea here was created. A couple other examples like that would be, here is a ticket that was created by an email connector for a partner. So you can see here, new ticket was made. It came in from email, so you can know that it wasn't from the automated integration or anywhere else. It wasn't made by anyone other than an email that was fed into the board. Similarly, we have an example here of one from an Automate plugin. This might vary a little bit in your system. This could be LabTech plugin if it's an older integration or it's been integrated for a long time, but that will indicate that it came from an integration of some sort. So if you're really not understanding where a ticket came from, we definitely suggest going to the audit trail, and that should help you track that down. We hope that's a useful tip for you. We try to post a new video every month or at least every week on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.